Welcome to our guide on creating a positive and nurturing environment at home. First, let's talk about decluttering. A clutter-free space can significantly improve your mental well-being. Organizing can be very cathartic and satisfying. Start by removing items you no longer need. Donate or recycle them to make your space more organized. Donating to others can be very emotionally satisfying. For example, you can donate clothes to local shelters or give away old books to libraries. Consider setting up a regular schedule for decluttering, such as once a month, to keep your space tidy. Next, let's focus on decorating. Choose colors and decor that make you feel happy and relaxed. Incorporate elements like plants, artwork, and cozy furniture to create a welcoming atmosphere. For instance, adding indoor plants can improve air quality and bring a touch of nature indoors. You can also hang artwork that inspires you or reminds you of happy memories. Don't forget to use soft lighting to create a warm and inviting ambiance. Finally, create a space that promotes well-being. This could be a reading nook, a meditation corner, or a hobby area. Make sure this space is free from distractions and filled with things that bring you joy. For example, if you love reading, set up a cozy nook with a comfortable chair, good lighting, and a shelf of your favorite books. If you enjoy meditation, create a serene corner with cushions, candles, and calming music. If you have a hobby, dedicate a space where you can easily access your materials and work on your projects. By following these tips, you can create a positive environment that nurtures your mind and body. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on creating a positive home environment.